Hello viewers, today, we will show you how to process a customer refund using SQL accounting software. A customer refund is used to return any overpaid amount to the customer and to offset it against unapplied amounts from customer payments or credit notes. Here is a scenario: if a customer is due a refund of 50 ringgit, we process it as a customer refund to return that amount. Let's begin. To do this, select the customer. Next, change the date if necessary and select an agent. Then, select the payment method in payment by. If there are any bank charges, you can enter them here. You may enter your description here. We are going to key in customer refund as an example. After that, enter the refund amount and knock off the payment that you want to refund. Finally, review the details to ensure everything is accurate, and click Save. And that's it. We've successfully completed a customer refund. Now, it's your turn. Try these steps and see how quickly you can get the hang of it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos, follow us on Facebook to stay updated, visit our website for important guides. It's so easy.